As we age, the health of our circulatory system becomes more and more crucial, especially when it comes to our legs and feet. Our bodies naturally undergo changes over time, and one of the most important things we can do for ourselves is to pay attention to how well our blood is flowing, particularly to the areas farthest from our heart. The legs and feet are often the first places to show signs of poor circulation. That's because they're at the very end of our circulatory system, and gravity makes it harder for blood to return upward toward the heart. If you've ever felt tired, achy, or heavy legs after sitting or standing for a long time, you've experienced just how important good blood flow is. Good blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your legs, fueling your muscles so you can walk, climb stairs, and stay active. It's what allows you to enjoy your favorite activities, whether that's gardening, taking a stroll, or playing with your grandchildren. When circulation is strong, your legs feel energized and ready for movement, but when circulation slows down, your legs are often the first to let you know. You might notice swelling, numbness, tingling, or even changes in skin color. These are all signs that your legs aren't getting the blood flow they need. Since the legs are farthest from the heart, they're more vulnerable to these issues, and gravity only adds to the challenge. Strong circulation keeps tissues healthy, nerves working properly, and helps wounds heal faster. It also reduces the risk of developing sores or infections, which can be especially important as we get older. Healthy blood flow means your legs can recover from minor injuries and stay comfortable day after day. Without good circulation, your legs can suffer in many ways, leading to discomfort, pain, and even a loss of independence. Everyday activities like walking to the mailbox or getting up from a chair can become difficult, affecting your confidence and quality of life. Healthy blood flow doesn't just benefit your legs, it also eases strain on your heart and helps manage your blood pressure. When your circulation is working well, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood throughout your body, which is good for your overall cardiovascular health. For seniors, focusing on leg circulation is a proactive step for overall health and well-being. It's about staying active, independent, and enjoying life to the fullest. The good news is, there are simple things you can do every day to support your circulation. You don't always need medications, sometimes the answer is in your kitchen. Small changes in your daily routine, like choosing the right foods and drinks, can make a big difference in how your legs feel and function. Certain foods and drinks can naturally support your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and keep blood moving smoothly. These natural options are easy to add to your diet and can be both delicious and effective. In this video, we'll explore easy, science-backed drinks that can give your leg circulation a gentle, effective boost. You'll learn which ingredients to look for, how they work, and simple recipes you can try at home. Let's get started on simple, practical ways to keep you moving comfortably and confidently, so you can enjoy every step, every day. How do you know if your circulation needs help? Many people overlook the early warning signs, brushing them off as just a part of getting older, but your body often tries to alert you when blood isn't flowing as it should. Your legs and feet often send the first signals. You might notice subtle changes, like a feeling of heaviness or mild discomfort after sitting or standing for a while. Cold feet or hands, even in a warm room, can mean blood isn't reaching your extremities. This chilliness can linger, making you reach for extra socks or blankets, even when others feel comfortable. Swelling in your lower legs, ankles, or feet, especially at day's end, signals sluggish circulation. This swelling, called edema, can make your skin feel tight and leave marks from your socks or shoes. Tight, puffy skin and shoes that feel snug are common clues. You may find it harder to slip on your favorite pair, or notice your feet look puffier than usual. Pain, cramping, or heaviness in your calves or thighs during activity, relieved by rest, may indicate poor blood flow. This is called claudication, and it can make walking or climbing stairs more difficult than before. Tingling, numbness, or a pins and needles feeling in your feet means nerves aren't getting enough oxygen. Sometimes this sensation can wake you at night or make it hard to get comfortable. Skin changes, pale, bluish, or shiny legs, and slow healing cuts are warning signs. Cuts or scrapes that take longer than usual to heal may be a sign your tissues aren't getting the nutrients they need. Hair may stop growing on your legs, and wounds may linger, raising infection risk. You might also notice your skin feels thinner or more fragile than before. These symptoms are your body's way of asking for help. Ignoring them can lead to more serious problems, so it's important to pay attention. Recognizing them is the first step to taking action. Talk to your doctor if you notice any of these changes, even if they seem minor. Improving your circulation can make a real difference in your daily comfort and mobility. With the right steps, you can help your body feel better, move more easily, and enjoy life with greater confidence. When it comes to supporting healthy blood flow, few things are as refreshing and effective as a watermelon smoothie. Not only is it delicious and hydrating, but it's also packed with nutrients that can make a real difference in your circulation, especially as we age. The secret is to use both the juicy red flesh and the often overlooked white rind of the watermelon. Most people toss the rind, but it's actually a powerhouse of health benefits. The rind is loaded with L-citrulline, a special amino acid that your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a natural compound that helps relax and widen your blood vessels, making it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout your body. This means your legs and feet, areas that often suffer from poor circulation, get a much-needed boost of oxygen and nutrients. You might notice more energy, less heaviness, and even a spring in your step. Making this smoothie is simple and quick. Start by blending together 2 cups of sweet, juicy watermelon flesh and 1 cup of thoroughly washed and chopped watermelon rind. Don't worry, the rind blends smoothly and adds a subtle, refreshing flavor. Next, add a tablespoon of fresh lime juice for a zesty kick, and a generous handful of mint leaves. Mint not only brightens the flavor, but it also has its own circulation-boosting properties. Finally, pour in half a cup of coconut water. This adds natural electrolytes, making your smoothie even more hydrating and perfect for warm days or after exercise. Blend everything until smooth, and enjoy it fresh for the best taste and maximum health benefits. The vibrant color and refreshing taste make it a treat you'll look forward to. In fact, research shows that seniors who drank this watermelon smoothie every day saw their leg blood flow improve by more than 50% in just 4 weeks. That's a remarkable difference you can feel. Many also reported fewer nighttime leg cramps, less discomfort, and better sleep thanks to improved circulation. For the best results, try to enjoy this smoothie about 30 minutes before your main meal. This timing helps your body absorb the nutrients more efficiently and primes your system for the day ahead. It's a simple, tasty, and natural way to support your circulation, boost your energy, and take care of your legs and feet, without any complicated steps or expensive ingredients. So why not give your legs the boost they deserve? Try this easy watermelon smoothie recipe and feel the difference in your circulation, energy, and overall well-being. Another excellent drink for leg circulation is a tea made from hibiscus and hawthorn. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, which help blood vessels stay flexible and open. Hawthorn berries strengthen vessel walls and support heart function. To make the tea, steep 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus, or 3 tea bags, in 16 ounces of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain, then add a teaspoon of hawthorn extract or half a teaspoon of powder. Drink half in the morning and half in the evening for steady benefits. Studies show this combo can improve blood flow to the feet by 45% and reduce symptoms of poor circulation in just 3 weeks. It's a simple, soothing way to help your heart and legs. Enjoy it warm or over ice for a refreshing boost. Golden milk, made with turmeric, is a time-honored remedy for circulation. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation and keeps arteries flexible. Black pepper's piperine boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Full-fat milk or coconut milk helps your body use these compounds to make. Gently warm 1 cup of milk. Whisk in a teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, a pinch of ginger, and a dash of cayenne. Heat gently for 5 minutes. Don't boil. Drink it about an hour before bed for best absorption and soothing comfort. Research shows daily golden milk can reduce leg swelling and improve walking distance in just 2 weeks. It's a delicious, relaxing way to support your circulation. Make it part of your nightly routine for lasting benefits. Beetroot and tart cherry juice make a powerful team for better circulation. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide to relax blood vessels. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, reducing inflammation and repairing vessel linings. Mix equal parts cold-pressed beet juice and 100% tart cherry juice, about 4 ounces each. Drink it first thing in the morning for rapid absorption. Avoid antibacterial mouthwash before or after. Your mouth's bacteria help convert nitrates. Studies show this blend can lower blood pressure and improve leg circulation by nearly 40% in just 24 hours. The natural sweetness and tartness make it easy to enjoy daily, It's a simple, effective way to energize your legs. Try this duo for a noticeable difference in how you feel. For a quick circulation boost, try pomegranate juice with a dash of cayenne pepper. Pomegranate's antioxidants increase nitric oxide, relaxing and widening arteries. Cayenne's capsaicin quickly opens blood vessels and helps blood flow smoothly. Mix 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice with a pinch of cayenne. Start small and adjust to taste. The sweet tart juice balances the spice for a pleasant drink. Drink it in the early afternoon for a midday circulation lift. Research shows this combo can improve walking distance and reduce leg pain in just a week. Blood flow can improve by over 30% with daily use. It's a fast, flavorful way to support your arteries. Add this spicy sweet drink to your routine for a noticeable boost. Before starting any new health routine, always talk to your doctor. Your doctor knows your health history and can advise if these drinks are safe for you. Some ingredients may interact with medications or affect conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Never replace prescribed treatments with natural remedies without medical guidance. Your doctor can help you monitor progress and ensure you're on the right track. Think of these drinks as a complement to your care plan, not a replacement. A quick conversation with your healthcare provider keeps you safe and confident as you try new ways to support your circulation. Caring for your leg circulation is key to staying active and comfortable as you age. Cold feet, swelling, and cramps are signals your body needs support. The drinks we've covered offer natural, effective ways to help. Consistency is crucial. Make these drinks part of your daily routine for lasting results. In just a few weeks, you may notice less swelling, less pain, and more energy for your favorite activities. Always consult your doctor first, then enjoy these delicious, science-backed solutions. You're taking charge of your health, one simple step at a time. Here's to stronger legs, better mobility, and a more vibrant you.